Hello, hello, hello. So let's talk about fear porn. I have been seeing this comment forever now. I just started making videos, so it wasn't on mine, but seeing it in other people's videos, and I just never understood people marking their comments with fear porn. I mean, I'm not understanding the word in general. Like, fear is an emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous or a threat. Right? Alright, well, let's see. Which is what I just told you, right? And we all know what porn is. Something that excites you. No one makes you watch porn. You want to watch it. That's why you watch it. Alright, so if someone's giving you a warning or their thoughts or opinions, how is that fear porn? That doesn't make sense to me. If you think something is fear porn, then you are the one who feels the fear. I don't feel the fear. Someone else who's watching that video might not feel the fear, but for some reason, it's made you feel fear because you're putting it up as a comment. So all you're doing with that comment is making everyone know you're afraid of that topic. I don't want anyone to be afraid. Like, why be scared? Be prepared. That's how it is. Knowledge is the most powerful weapon there is. So everyone just needs to start doing the research and get prepared for anything and everything you can. Now, I just, I'm putting videos out as a warning. Some of it's my opinions. Some of it is my thoughts. It's not fear porn. I feel like that's just like a made up word. It makes no sense to me. None whatsoever. Here in West Virginia, if, I'm trying to find something, wait a minute. Here you go. That's what I think about your fear porn. Alright. Here in West Virginia, if someone tells you, like, they've seen a bear family down by the town or by someone's house, we don't ask for pictures and videos. I mean, everything's by word of mouth. And, that's just how it is. And that's how it was for a long time. I mean, I don't know what happened with these videos why everybody's hollering for videos and pictures and yelling fear porn. I mean, these videos are to help people. Yes, some people sensationalize. Yes, some people have agendas. I myself don't do either of those things. I feel passionate about things, and that's the way my words are going to come out. We are humans. We feel. That's what happens when people, feel intense about something. You're going to feel what they feel when they're talking. As an agenda, my agenda is for y'all to prepare. Prepare for anything and everything you can. That's my agenda. So, I don't know what everybody else's agendas is, but I know I've watched plenty of videos that people got fear porn marked all over them, and I'm not seeing it. And maybe it's just because I'm not afraid of anything, and I'm not. I've never been. I've always walked on the edge of life, between life and death. I've seen death very close a lot of times, and death does not fear me. I don't know why anyone would fear death. That's the only thing we're promised in this life. Literally, is death. And we've all been programmed to fear it. Oh my God, it's the most horrible thing. And when our poor loved ones die, we're depressed and do horrible, feel bad and can't move on with life because someone passed. They're in a better place. They've been elevated. Whether they turned into angels or in another life or whatever your belief is, this whole fear thing is just ridiculous. So anyway, I don't know what else to say about that, except for I'm just sick of seeing it and I'm sick of hearing it. So take that as you will. I'm really tired. I wanted to get done that other FEMA video with like everything that they're gonna take from us and our rights being taken and our Constitution being gone, But I'm tired. I'm cooking. I still got cooking to do tomorrow. I take food down to homeless people that I know that are homeless in town, and old people or lonely people that don't have food. So that's what me and my family does. So I'm a little busy, but I'm still going to try to get that done sometime tonight, so that it's out there. But I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving, and I will try to pop in tomorrow with some kind of video, as long as I'm not too terribly busy or tired. But anyway, y'all have a good one. This is Rhea from Patriots Rise Up.